This time on Dickie's Garage, we're going to talk about duct tape, perform a transfusion, and start a truck. Alright guys, this is it. As promised, I'm making my way across town. We're going to be doing a special little segment here. We're going to be showcasing a good friend of mine's vehicle. Now, this vehicle has been sitting for some time, so I'm a little concerned as what we're going to come across. I think we're going to beat him there, so we're going to go ahead and pop the hood and see how this thing's looking. So here we are. This is the behemoth. It is a 92 F-150 Lightning. We got a little something under the hood here. Got another big block Ford conversion. This is one I helped out with a few months back. I went through the engine, got it cleaned up, and did some America valve covers for him. This truck has something I've never seen before. It's some type of ladder bar setup. This thing used to be a bit of a race truck at some point. Those of you that don't know may think that we just have low tire pressure in the back of this vehicle. This is actually a specially calibrated tire pressure designed to get the maximum amount of traction for this vehicle. Also, in the bed of the truck is a specially designed ballast transfer system. So when the vehicle is staged at the starting line, all the weight's in the front of the bed, as you can see here. But when you gas it, the weight transfers all the way to the back to help plant the rear wheels on the ground. I can only imagine the cliche things you guys want to say right now when you see that blue oval and a roll of duct tape. I just have this tighten here just to help out, just in case that battery's not enough. This thing does have a lot of torques. So I'm going to try to make this thing dance. It died. Take two. I'm going to try to make this thing dance, but it's a bit of a tricky ride. It was at this point that I realized the only thing I had accomplished so far was I got the rear brakes and the transmission fluid really hot. Turns out there was a problem with the line lock on the brake system, and the rear brakes were not going to release. So, frustrated and defeated, I parked the truck and went home. So the owner of the truck wasn't able to show up the first afternoon, but after he heard about how miserable my burnouts were, he decided to send in these clips to show us how it's done. What do you say we do that one more time, just for good measure? So guys, we're going to have to end the video off right there. I've got a feeling that's not the last we've seen of that Lightning. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.